Hedwich Herbarium presents Healing the Crone. Issue: fatigue. Some issues can contribute to fatigue, like adrenal fatigue, stress and anxiety, poor eating habits, poor sleeping patterns, and hormonal issues. Address the stresses, remember self-care, avoid processed foods, balance work and play, and develop healthy sleep. Herbs for fatigue: American ginseng, licorice root, rhodiola, Schisandra berry, ashwagandha, holy basil or Tulsi, Eleuthero, hibiscus and ginger. Check with your doctor before taking licorice root due to possible issues with low potassium and heart problems. Deity: Artemis, Greek goddess of the hunt, the moon and the wilderness, and protector of women. The recipe is in the description. Artemis Tea of Rejuvenation. Sip while you feel the energy surging through your body, energizing and relaxing at the same time, while you commune with Artemis. This tea is good to get your engine running. Take advantage and use the energy to make plans to get back on track. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more. Blessed be.